welcome. And today we will discuss filling the blanks or summary completion. Let's look at the passage. Amelia's antique locket held a secret compartment she never noticed. Inside, a tiny map unfolded leading to a hidden garden behind her house. Among the blossoms, she discovered a forgotten journal detailing her grandmother's youthful adventures. As she read, the garden's magic rekindled and whispers of shared stories with her grandmother echoed through the air. Okay, complete the following using one word only from the passage. Complete the following using only one word. So it's only one word. You cannot use more than one word. Okay, so let's look at the first question. Amelia's antique locket featured a hidden dash she never noticed. Now, because we see the word hidden here and there is the word hidden here also, we are tempted for the answer garden. But if you look at the line above, it talks about a secret compartment she never noticed. Dash she never noticed. So the answer is compartment. Okay. Okay. So let's look at the question number 2. Inside the locket, a small dash was found revealing a secret garden. Inside the locket. What is inside the locket? Inside a tiny map unfolded. Map. There is an antique locket, and inside the locket there was a map. The third question is, among the blossoms in the garden, Amelia discovered a forgotten journal. Okay, so this is a very straightforward answer. Journal. Okay, now let's look at question number 4. The journal outlined Amelia's grandmother's dash adventures. Grandmother's youthful adventures. You see, this is a very simple summary completion. Here you have the words and the blanks matching straight up. But in IELTS, sometimes what will happen is that the exam will have synonyms used. So you will have to find the nearest meaning to the word that is given. Okay. Now the fifth question is, as Amelia read the garden magic dash and whispers of shared stories filled the air. As she read, as Amelia read, the garden magic dash rekindled. It started back again. Okay. So this is a very simple summary completion. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any further questions, please let me know. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button